Charlotte. I would like to endorse you to be the next president of the United States.
Oh my God.
You've been a great secretary.
A state.
Which state again?
All of them?
Is the Secretary of State looking at us?
I kind of know her.
It's like kind of knowing a mermaid. Do you tell people that?
She probably doesn't remember who I am.
Secretary Field would like to speak with you.
With me?
I can't shake this feeling that we know each other.
We do.
We do?
Picture me, I guess, maybe like 20 years younger, but like this.
Flarsky?
Yeah!
What are you doing these days?
I'm a journalist.
You're a great writer, but sometimes you're a little too much.
I don't think I am too much. I actually think I'm the perfect right portion.
It's really nice to see you again.
Whoa! Hey!
Crack it down!
I'm okay. Did policemen just call me a cracker?
What is the relationship exactly?
I used to babysit for him.
You babysat for him? Wow, time has not been kind.
I need some writers to punch up my speeches. Fred's writing is really good, and he knows me.
Oh, I feel so scared.
In order to write better for you, I should kind of get to know you better if you have a minute.
I actually have 7.
7 minutes in heaven. What is your favorite book as a kid?
The Velveteen Rabbit.
Favorite song?
Must Have Been Loved by Roxette.
Most embarrassing moment?
I don't embarrass that easily.
I don't either, really.
What's your favorite sexual position?
Normal? Front-facing normal? What kind of question is that?
All it took. Look at you.
What's your favorite sexual position?
Don't be gross, Fred.
Do you like date?
I mean, who wants to follow me around the world and hope I have 5 minutes to be affectionate?
Yeah.
We did almost just die.
We actually did almost die.
We need to move you.
Thank you, Agent M.
It's Pretty Woman, but she's Richard Gere and you're Julia Roberts.
Honestly, this has been the best few weeks of my entire life.
We asked 1,000 constituents how they would feel if Kate Middleton
I see where you're going with this.
were to start dating Danny DeVito. Pretty negative reaction.
The last time you got high was at a Swing Doctors concert?
We had a situation.
I'm in so much trouble.
What's happened? Are they out of water?
Wow, he's so bendy, huh?